Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to take one more question from SAT and it's from the chapter circle. Now before going to that chapter and going to this particular question, you should know two equations. Those are known as perfect square equation. One is a plus b whole square equals a square plus 2 times a times b plus b square, and a minus b whole square equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now, it says the equation above defines a circle in the xy plane. This equation. What are the coordinates of the center of the circle? Now, first of all, to find out the coordinates of the center of the circle, it should be in the standard form. And the standard form of a circle is x minus h square plus y minus k whole square, that's equals r square. But the given equation is not in the standard form. So what we can do, step 1, we will write the x term together, x square and 20x, and the y terms together, that's equals negative 20. To make it a perfect square equation, you see, in a perfect square equation, there are three terms so that it can be factorable. First term is a square, which is x square. Second term is 2 times a times b, which is 20x. But the b square term is missing here. So we are going to find out the b square. Now, how to find out the b square? For that, you take the middle term 20, half it means divided by 2, you'll get 10, and square it. And 10 square will be 100. And I'm going to add this 100 after 20x. So if you are going to add 100, and this 100 was not there in the equation, right? It's a balanced equation. So left hand side and right hand side should be balanced. If you're adding plus 100 to the left hand side, you should add 100 to the right hand side of the equation as well, right? Now see, the second equation is also a non-square equation. It has two terms, the a square term and 2 times a times b, plus the b square term is missing. So how to find out the b square? We would repeat the same process. Take the middle number, half it, which you will get 8, and square it. So 8 square going to be 64. And I'm going to add the 64 with the 16y. 64. But it's an balanced equation, right? So if you're adding something to the left hand side, you should add the same thing to the right hand side as well, correct? So to make a perfect square equation, or this process is called as completing the square, you should take the middle number, half it, then square it, and then add the result you're getting to make it a perfect square equation. Now you see, x squared plus 20x plus 100, it's a quadratic equation, right? So we can factor it, correct? Two numbers that multiplies to 100 and adds up to 20. What are the two numbers? Of course, 10 and 10. So you can write the first factor is 10 and the second factor is also 10 plus. If we go to the second equation, right? Two numbers that multiplies to 64 but adds up to 16, right? That's 8 and 8. So y plus 8 times y plus 8. These are the two factors equals negative 20 plus 100 plus 64 gives you 144. Now you see x plus 10 times x plus 10 is x plus 10 whole square plus y plus 8, y plus 8, that means y plus 8 whole square, that's equals 144. Or if we rearrange them, so x plus 10 whole square plus y plus 8 whole square, that gives you 12 square. And now if you compare them, the given equation and the standard equation, this one and this one, so they are in the standard form now. Now in the standard form, the coordinate of the sender is the opposite of this negative h, which is positive h, and opposite of this negative k, it's positive k. So your center coordinate is h comma k. In the same case, opposite of positive 10 is negative 10, opposite of this positive 8 is negative 8. So the center of the circle would be negative 10 and negative 8, which is nothing but the option B. That's it.